Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use ProtonVPN. If you're interested in trying ProtonVPN, click the link in the description to get started for a great price. Let's dive in. ProtonVPN stands out as one of the most versatile and user-focused virtual private network services available today. It offers a highly functional free version alongside a premium tier that unlocks even more advanced features. Unlike many other free VPNs that compromise user experience by imposing restrictions, displaying ads, or offering limited functionality, ProtonVPN's free plan is refreshingly different. It delivers an ad-free experience, unlimited bandwidth, and robust security and privacy measures. This makes it not only suitable for casual users, but also reliable enough for those with more demanding security and privacy requirements. Users on the free plan are automatically connected to the fastest server available in one of 5 countries: the United States, Japan, the Netherlands, Poland, or Romania. These locations are carefully chosen to provide global coverage while maintaining excellent connection speeds. The service is designed to be universally accessible, compatible with all major devices and operating systems, and can even be installed directly on routers, ensuring protection across an entire network. ProtonVPN is equipped with state-of-the-art security features that set it apart from competitors. One of its most valuable tools is the kill switch, a mechanism designed to ensure your online identity and data remain secure at all times. If your VPN connection is interrupted for any reason, the kill switch automatically blocks your internet connection, preventing your real IP address or any unencrypted data from being exposed. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who frequently deal with sensitive information or access the internet in high-risk environments such as public Wi-Fi networks. ProtonVPN's commitment to user privacy is further demonstrated by its use of modern encryption protocols like WireGuard and Cha-Cha-20. These protocols are widely regarded as industry-leading, providing both speed and security to ensure a seamless and protected browsing experience. Another innovative feature is the patented Stealth protocol, which is specifically designed to bypass internet censorship and anti-VPN measures. This protocol allows users to access restricted content and maintain privacy in regions where VPN usage is heavily monitored or blocked. While Stealth is currently available on macOS, Android, and iOS, support for Windows is expected to be introduced in the near future. Getting started with ProtonVPN is straightforward and hassle-free, making it an appealing choice for users of all experience levels. To begin, create a free account on their website. Once your account is set up, download and install the ProtonVPN software for your chosen device. The installation process is simple and quick, and once completed, you can log in using the credentials associated with your account. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and designed for ease of use. For a quick connection, users can simply click the Quick Connect button, which will instantly establish a secure connection and assign a new IP address by connecting to the fastest server available in one of the supported countries. If you wish to change your connection to a different server or location, the Change Server option allows you to do so with just a few clicks. However, there is a brief waiting period of about 90 seconds between server switches to ensure stability and performance. When you're ready to disconnect, clicking the same button safely terminates the VPN connection and restores your original IP address. ProtonVPN's flexibility extends to its settings menu, where users can customize their experience to suit their needs. For instance, you can configure the software to launch automatically when your operating system starts, or set it to connect to a VPN server immediately upon opening the application. These features are particularly useful for those who frequently use unsecured networks, such as at coffee shops, hotels, or airports, where the risk of data interception is significantly higher. Additionally, the software allows users to select their preferred encryption protocol. While the default WireGuard protocol offers the perfect balance of speed and security, advanced users may choose to enable the stealth protocol to bypass VPN blocks and access restricted content in censored environments. For users seeking more features and enhanced functionality, the premium plan unlocks a wealth of benefits. It provides access to an expansive network, ensuring optimal performance regardless of location. The premium plan also supports streaming platforms, allowing users to bypass geo-restrictions and access content libraries from around the world. For instance, ProtonVPN's optimized servers can unlock 29 different Netflix libraries, putting it on par with some of the top-performing VPNs in the market, such as Surfshark. This is particularly appealing for users who value unrestricted access to entertainment. The premium plan also includes specialized servers for torrenting, which are designed to deliver faster speeds and enhanced security for peer-to-peer file sharing activities. Another powerful feature exclusive to the premium plan is NetShield, an advanced ad, tracker, and malware blocker. With NetShield enabled, users can enjoy a cleaner, faster, and more secure browsing experience. It effectively eliminates intrusive advertisements, protects against malicious websites, and prevents online trackers from collecting personal data. For example, when visiting ad-heavy websites with NetShield active, all advertisements are removed, resulting in a smoother browsing experience. Disabling the VPN and refreshing the page restores the ads, highlighting the effectiveness of this feature. NetShield is a particularly valuable tool for users concerned about privacy and security while navigating the web. ProtonVPN Premium also includes advanced tools such as port forwarding, which is ideal for improving online gaming performance and facilitating peer-to-peer file sharing. Split tunneling is another notable feature, allowing users to designate specific applications or websites to bypass the VPN and connect directly to the local network. This is particularly useful for tasks that require access to local resources while maintaining VPN protection for other activities. For users seeking an additional layer of privacy and security, the Secure VPN feature, also known as multi-hop or double VPN, routes your connection through two servers in different countries. This creates an added barrier against potential threats and ensures an even higher level of anonymity. ProtonVPN is a comprehensive and reliable VPN solution that caters to a wide range of users, from those seeking a robust free option to those requiring advanced tools and features available through the premium plan. Its commitment to privacy, security, and user experience makes it a standout choice in the crowded VPN market, providing exceptional value for both casual and advanced users alike. Since ProtonVPN has a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can sign up and try it for free, since you can get a refund before the 30 days are over. Click the link in the description to get started right away.